Listen up, soldier. You're stuck, the code is breaking, the answers aren't coming, the screen mocks you, the bugs keep multiplying, and your confidence, it's bleeding out line by line. And I know what you're thinking. I should know this. If I ask for help, I'll look weak. If I post this question, they'll laugh. But hear me, not just as a fellow dev, but as your brother in code. Asking for help doesn't make you weak. It makes you wise. It makes you human. And it makes you dangerous, because it means you're ready to grow. The enemy? It's not the bug. It's the silence, the shame, the toxic voice in your head that says you're not good enough. But listen to me. Even the best of us have fallen. Even the legends you look up to, they've broken builds. They've shipped code that crashed in production. They've opened Stack Overflow with shaky hands. The ones who rise, they ask. They learn. They don't fight alone. We are a battalion of builders, and no warrior fights in silence. So if you're stuck, raise your voice. Ask, reach out, find your squad. Because real strength isn't pretending to know everything. It's knowing when to lean on your brothers and sisters beside you. We fight together. We grow together. And every line of code, every question asked, sharpens our blade. You're not here to impress. You're here to evolve. This isn't a war for ego. This is a battle for mastery. And I'm telling you now, don't let pride cost you your progress. Help is not a weakness. Help is strategy. Help is courage. So stand up, shake off the fear, and go ask that question. The battlefield is waiting, and your next breakthrough is on the other side of your voice. Now get out there, and build like a warrior.